This place fancy. You talking this place up. About time we ate here. Where's the menu? Is this it? These are the menus? Man, is this the menu?
Excuse me, monsieur. This is how you use the knife.
Okay. Alright. Well, that's different. Thank you. Yo. What you getting? Man. Have you seen the menu? What do you mean you don't know what you're getting? Have you seen the menu? I don't think we afford anything on here. The only thing I can get here is the French fry. Deluxe, extravagant, gourmet, French fry. Hey, we would like to place our orders. You can take this.
What would you be having, monsieur?
The extravagant French fry, wonderful gourmet.
Wonderful, wonderful, beautiful choice. How special.
See that? Told you. Yo, this better be good. Because I brought 150. And it's 150. And then I'm not giving this guy no tip because that's all I got. 150.
Here you are, sir. Deluxe, extravagant, French fry, gourmet.
All right.
One last thing.
Yeah? What could it be? Oh. How can I forget? We're in a fancy restaurant. This is what I get for 150.
No, sir. Monsieur, wait. We have special ketchup. $200 an ounce.
$200 an ounce on this ketchup. Okay.
May I, please? On your fry.
Yeah, well, I already went this far. Here we go. Yes, please go ahead. What? What? Oh my. Really?
Like?
Really? This is gourmet?
More ketchup?
More ketchup?